This area faces Ise Bay, and is full of beautiful natural beauty. You can see the old and traditional Japanese townscape in here. This town also called Shinto. Because there is an Ise Grand Shrine that enshrines the sun goddess Amaterasu. About 8 million worshippers visit the Ise Grand Shrine annually, which was built about 2,000 years ago. During the Edo period, many people aspired to visit the shrine. This was symbolized by the saying, "Head to Ise once in your life," with 2 million to 4 million people visiting each year. Japan's population at the time was around 30 million. So Ise Netsuke is very popular as a souvenir. They were used as toggles to fasten en row, a case for holding small objects, and tobacco pouches to the sashes of traditional Japanese garments. Netsuke are miniature sculptures measuring 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter. It's lightweight, neither bulky, nor easy to break. They are made in many shapes and decorated with various subjects, that everyone enjoyed it. The reason why so many Netsuke are crafted in the shape of toads is part of a Japanese play on words, using the common expressions, win customers, and return home safely. Bamboo shoots means grown fast. Kushu means complete. Chestnut means win the game. Netsuke displays every aspect of Japanese culture, including plants or plant products, small ones. A woman walking dashing in kimono in Izumo town. In fact, she is the main character this time. In 2012, Ms. Kajiura participated in a contest about Ise Netsuke. She has obtained the top Grand Prix of 1,800 people nationwide. Ms. Kajiura's previous job is a caster of NHK. In 2007, she interviewed craftsmen who were involved in various traditional crafts on the program In Charge, and was also attracted by his gentle personality. She retired from NHK in 2009, and became an apprentice to Nakagawa. Since then, she has been training under her teacher. While their materials vary from ivory, horn, wood, bamboo and so on, artisans use boxwood collected from Mount Asuma for Ise Netsuke. Its texture is hard, flexible, and can be bent to allow the delicate work without breaking. Boxwood is called jewel wood, because they grow slowly in the cold weather and poor mountain soil. It takes for about 50 to 60 years to have only 6 centimeters in diameter.